at this.
We're just at the end of the movie and it's
Because
very cool.
it is not available, so I gotta hide this.
It was very, I think I was gonna vomit.
I can see your face with this.
How about this?
Look.
It's dark.
Yeah, I told ya. Awesome. Even if it's the ending, it was still awesome. Sup, bro?
And it was very, busy.
Yeah.
How's this,
Oh,
bro?
I see your face. Come on, one more picture.
It was very dizzy.
Oh, yes, I see you. Look at me. Told ya. Okay. Look, this. What is this?
Just let them see the ending, bro. That part.
I see. Oh my God.
Okay, bro. We're just gonna let you see the ending.
Something's like piece of my baby. Akala mo andito. Akala mo uto-uto ako. Nilagay ko rin dito yung sa amin eh. Alam mo, uto-uto daw ako, Borromeo. Di ba kanina pa natin na ano to?
The first group that
Akala ko. Wow!
from bus number 6. Bus
Okay, Borromeo. Dito na tayo.
Okay. Okay, we forgot to say our names. Again, my name is...
Maybe later.
Ay, hindi pa tayo.
Nakita yun lang ako. Inano ko to nasa bulsa ko eh.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Nakita tayo. Nakapinoy na next.
My name is Justin.
Metsu. And that's the globe. And that's the story of the globe. Even I didn't show you what happened in the
Because it's camera restricted.
Yeah, camera restricted because you're not the camera, right? Bro, friend. Told ya, this is not the camera. Okay?
Erwin, alam eh. It's very cold, bro.
Oh my God! The color! What if I'm color blind? If I'm color blind? Wow!
It's vintage. It's a vintage edition. Jacket. They were taking pills.
What the? I can see your face! Oh my God, the stars!
Let them watch. Hey guys, we're just gonna let them watch. The end of the world. That's your face. I mean, that's your mama's.
Oh my God!
That's your mama's. No, that's
What?
That's your mama's face. Which is beautiful.
Where?
The previous. Hindi na ang kanta. And that will be your mama's perfume. It looks like your mama's.
I can show the other stars. Look. And this shows that.
But it shows the constellation. Asteroid.
Huh.
Maya, Kalaye.
Meron pe. Tayote.
Okay, next.
I'm blind.
Okay, paki-double check na lang yung mga gamit natin.
It's really.
Then stop. Yes, stop.
I'm gonna show you my jacket. Vintage edition. Let's. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Mark, you judge of how
Boss number 9.
Boss number 9. Let's go.
Is it cool or pile of shit?
I'm gonna use my wood. My wood.
Okay, paki-double
Tell
check
me.
ang
Wood.
Cool or
Wood.
Tell me, cool or pile of shit?
Uy, bukas ang bag mo. Oh my God!
Last one.
Okay, let's move.
Nakakahilo, Sam.
Marami susuka rito sa bus.
Buti tayo may kayo. Tabi tayo mo, Romeo.
Okay.
Ha?
Let's do some parkour. Parkour. That's parkour, bros. Parkour.
Okay, awesome. I want to show Solom. Awesome. Even it is DC. Yeah. Disney.
Stay there. And film. Parkour.
Awesome.
Parkour.
Awesome parkour.
Wait.
We're now finished at the GG Star. Okay.
Going parkour.
Eh, yung bite naman, oh.
Good move. Uy!
That's parkour.
This is what I said to you. That's moving. The circle of life.
It's not a circle.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Correct!
Subok naman. Ano ba yan?
Subok naman. Diyos ko naman.
Overready.
Isa-isa muna. Saan?
Dito.
Gusto niya matalino yan.
Oh, Violeta ata.
Nakatalikod lang.
Ang ano naman na ito magano, touchscreen.
Games.
Si...
Uno.
Ano?
Okay, tawag ko. Film Rogeline. Rogeline is
Sana,
gonna
sagot
play
kayo
some... No.
Awesome.
Sagot ka na.
Let's see this. Live about... I only have to...
Okay. Paano pa dyan?
Wait. What is this?
Oh my God, it's the joy of all men.
What does to do? Look! What? That two. Okay, step it in. Wow! Awesome powers!
Paano yan?
Ayaw gumana ng powers.
Ayaw gumana ng powers.
Let's go! Ako naman!
Wait lang.
Oh my God, look at this! Make sure to see that. What? Oh, what's this?
Lolo.
Can you read? Lolo ko Read it. Excuse me, guys.
I'm gonna read it.
Yeah, read it.
Who's the biggest top in the
Charts of 20,000.
2,375.
1,000?
What?
1,750.
Or 1,070
Oh, walang or.
kilograms.
Ayaw nga bla.
And 20 feet 3 inches or 6.17 meters.
Lolong is male in the
20
Pacific or saltwater crocodile.
Lolong is a male in the Pacific